Yo, what's up, guys? It's Tex here. Y'all got it to 6 likes, and now it's available. For the chromatic, we're gonna use rough. Yes, I did enlarge this fucking chromatic because it's too damn short. What I really do is like go to export regions and put it on for sampling use, so it can get all the things in there, and then make a folder and we just call it rough example voice bank. You could do it in your own way, but this is how I do it. And then you go over here after you see this. You're gonna have to press F2 or like function 2 if you have a mini, and then and then hold shift and then press an arrow key and then do lowercase a. It only works with lowercase a, because you do uppercase a, it will not work. That file will not work. So it has to be lowercase a. And don't worry if you put this twice. Just delete one and you're good. Now I'm gonna speed up the process. Yep. And this is the whole thing. And then create a set. Like if you have second monitors, this is crucial. You can either do this with one monitor. Just have a whole new like set, and then after that, just go and type, drag all this until it gets to the highest folder, and then hold Control so you can get the prefix file too. And after that, you're gonna press Control V because it's gonna paste over it. And yes, you might have to do a little bit of editing, but that's fine. And after you do all that, you have to press Control S to save, and you have to also. But I mean, you don't really have to if you're doing this from scratch. But I'm doing this my way, like I already mentioned before. Okay, you're gonna delete all. You're gonna delete all the little things that has no actual file. Like this one is stuck at A40, so we're gonna delete from A41 to A46 that way because obviously it's not there. Then delete, and boom, you're good. And just for a test, and do a trusty or ectospasm test. Cause why not? I'm gonna play the whole thing, and this is how you're gonna see this. And don't worry. If some of the files are short, it's okay. It's okay. All you really could do is just enlarge in it a little bit, and you could do all this. Oh nope, I didn't actually mean to delete that. And then you go to File, Replace Audio, and you go and you do this with any other one. No, no. Do with each other one if you want to. Like this. Uh, Also, if this little thing on the top, that's it. Like like possibly lower by like a quarter of that, or like some like part, and then replace it, and then delete the access files, and boom. And even if it does sound a little trash, you're gonna have to fix that a little bit. And then after this, then you can test it. And then boom, you're good. Yep. And now you are good. I also forgot to mention that some of y'all actually use FL Studio for your stretching. So if this is for the FL Studio people, go to the one you want to use. But try to make sure it's the same pitch. I might have to lower my DPI. So I'm gonna get y'all on when I'm back from that. I can find some if I find it. Yeah. Let me notes like this. And then boom, you do that. And then just for measures, use Melodyne, guys. Use Melodyne. Just so it doesn't be off. Cause I hate stuff that's off timing. It just pisses me off at the slightest. I just get out. It's not gonna sound exactly like Groove, but it was back to the video. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, post notification, and goodbye.